FIAT. A name that has become synonymous with Italian design, affordable cars, and innovation. From the narrow streets of Turin in 1899 to becoming part of one of the world's largest car groups, FIAT's story is one of vision, resilience, and reinvention. The story of FIAT begins on July 11, 1899 in Turin, Italy. A group of investors led by a young entrepreneur named Giovanni Agnelli founded Fabbrica Italiana Automobili Torino, FIAT. Their dream was simple yet ambitious, to bring the automobile to the Italian people. The company's first car, the 3.5 GP, was built for just 8 customers, but within a few years, FIAT became one of Europe's fastest-growing automakers. By 1910, FIAT had even opened its first factory in the United States. In the roaring 1920s, FIAT was already Italy's leading car brand. The company produced iconic models like the Fiat 501 and Fiat 509, which became symbols of progress and style. By the 1930s, Fiat's cars were being exported across Europe and South America, turning the brand into a global presence. At the same time, Fiat invested heavily in modern production techniques, making cars more affordable for the working class. World War II brought major challenges. FIAT factories were converted to military production, and the company faced destruction from bombings. But after the war, FIAT bounced back, playing a crucial role in rebuilding Italy's economy. During this time, FIAT became more than a car manufacturer. It became a symbol of national recovery. The 1950s and 60s marked FIAT's golden era. The introduction of the legendary Fiat 500 in 1957 changed everything. Compact, affordable, and stylish, the Fiat 500 became the car of the people, an icon of Italian culture. In the 1960s and 70s, FIAT expanded internationally. Cars like the Fiat 124 and Fiat 127 gained worldwide recognition. FIAT was not only producing cars, but exporting Italian lifestyle to the world. By the 1970s, FIAT owned brands like Ferrari, Lancia, Alfa Romeo, and Maserati, cementing its role as one of the most powerful automotive groups in the world. FIAT continued to expand globally, opening factories in Brazil, Argentina, and Poland. The early 2000s were difficult, but FIAT reinvented itself. The modern Fiat 500, launched in 2007, was a huge success, blending retro design with modern technology. In 2009, FIAT took control of Chrysler during the American car industry crisis. Together they formed Fiat Chrysler Automobiles, FCA, in 2014, creating a powerful new global automotive company. In 2021, FIAT became part of Stellantis, the world's 4th largest car maker. Today, FIAT focuses on electric mobility and sustainability, while keeping its core identity: stylish, accessible cars that embody Italian creativity. From a small workshop in Turin to a global automotive leader, FIAT's journey spans over 120 years of innovation, challenges, and triumphs. FIAT is more than just cars. It is a story of Italy itself, its style, resilience, and passion for life on the road.